Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send voice message from Telegram to WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. It is necessary to have both applications downloaded on any of your devices. However, it is important that you follow each of step to ensure a satisfactory result. In this video, I will show you how to send voice message or voice note from Telegram to WhatsApp. How to do it if you want to send or forward your voice message to WhatsApp. It's so simple. So first of all, let's try to record the message. This voice message that I will send to WhatsApp. It's here. This voice message that I will send to WhatsApp. Now, if you want to share this voice message to WhatsApp, you can just tap and hold. Tap and hold like this. And you can find there is an option on the top of your screen. There is like share icon on there. You can just tap on that. Now you can just choose on WhatsApp. You can choose on the contact your friends on WhatsApp that you want to forward this message with. We send this to this. So it will turn out like this. Let's hear this voice message that I will send to WhatsApp. It's so simple, right? So that is how to send voice message from Telegram to WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.